Yeah.
Yeah, we what is it called? Alina was just driving around
Uh-huh.
and she really liked it. And we just bought it.
No way.
Yeah, yeah, that car's a fucking antique.
Why is it all out there like that then? Don't you want to like garage it?
No, we gotta fix it up first, buddy. We gotta fix that shit up.
Oh
Uh,
yeah. Good morning.
Yeah.
what up, Bri
Shit.
Bri?
What's up, baby?
What's up, baby?
How we doing today? How's everybody feeling?
Fucking, I got a stalker now that lives next to me.
Why? What happened?
Literally, I always through you. Like, I can't, like, you know what I mean? What are you able to do? Unsee it? You're right next to me.
I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Top of the morning, fuckers.
Those cars on the
What's up,
block
Joey?
kind of stand out.
Good morning, Josie. Joey, did you get your 5Gs, baby?
Oh yeah. Congratulations.
Oh, yeah.
Post that in profit section, please.
Oh, buddy.
Oh, yeah, wow. That's what's up.
Hell yeah, brother.
So
Well
proud of you,
deserved.
Joey.
So
Well
proud of
going
you,
crazy
Joey.
right
Well deserved, my
now. Yo,
friend.
just went viral.
I appreciate you
So
guys.
proud of you.
You pulled out freaking 7,000 this week?
52 and 12, 64, 65.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh yeah. Get that money
Next
back
time
from
you're
Top
taking
Step.
me out to fucking dinner.
We went out to dinner last night.
I can imagine. Lobster every day.
I even got lucky last night.
Okay, we're streaming.
Word?
Word.
I wish I
Hey,
would
yo,
get lucky.
call me after this, bro. Tell me all about it.
All right, I see
I
some
want all
slope and
the
support.
details.
I posted a picture.
Ryan says, switch the subject.
Yeah. You guys see the sloping support that's created in pre-market? QQQ is still bouncing off sloping support. SPY's bouncing off sloping support. If we take out that sloping support at open and we lose 638.65, there's a good chance bears will try to push. So that's what I'm looking at for like the lower levels demand zone to try to go long. 638.65s or sloping support. Anything below that, I'm a little scared to try to go long. Short zones, pre-market supply. Right here, 639.60s and 640.09. What was your level, Dimitri? 640.12? 640 something in there, right?
Right above PCP, guys. If we're above 640.12, not 12. It is
It's like 640.09.
640.11, guys. 640.10, 640.11. If we're below it, I'm hammering puts. If we're above it, I'm hammering calls.
QQQ has a stupid amount of power right now.
QQQ, guys, I want you guys to understand QQQ macro perspective. QQQ already hit the 20-day moving average, guys. SPY has not. So 20-day moving average is not to fuck with. 20-day moving average is very, very strong. QQQ already hit it yesterday, so let's see what it does. But QQQ could make 20-day moving average a resistance, and then it's full-on collapse time, baby.
Oh, yeah.
But we gotta wait till the 5 and the 20 converge on the QQQ to be super bearish. Macro perspective.
Albert, take it easy today.
Oh, yeah, trust me.
You're going to be green.
Oh, yeah.
Bulls are here. QQQ. SPY's at pre-market supply. Oh, guys, also, we have FOMC minutes today at 11 o'clock, so keep that in mind. We could have some price-controlled garbage price action until 11 and just stay in this range. Or I've seen them take it one direction, and then FOMC comes on, they take it right back to the other direction, whatever way they decide to go.
I got in long dated puts, guys, that open next week's.
Here we go again.
Dude, you don't even let the market like settle for a minute.
Yep.
Oh.
Correct.
QQQ's at pre-market demand. SPY still holding sloping support. 638.65's breaks. I can see them try to push.
I'm all out.
What?
Yeah, I just made $1,100. Thank God.
Baruch Hashem.
I could buy another Mercedes.
Oh, you got the first month covered, that's for sure.
This is sloping
This
support
is
here.
yesterday's demand, guys. This is yesterday's demand. We were all day jumping from this demand area, guys.
QQQ
If we
is from the
fail this
bottom.
demand, it's gonna be fun. I'm not participating in this demand.
Let's do a. Is Max Payne still 643? Choose expiration date. The
Very cool.
20th. Max Payne 640. QQQ just lost pre-market floor. Bearish.
Very bearish, guys. Very bearish.
This
Remember
is
my level.
This is
As
my
long as we're
demand
below
zone
that
here.
level, we're bearish.
I wanted to try
Very
calls
bearish.
here, but I don't like the weakness on QQQ, so I'm gonna wait. This is a demand. This is a possible bounce zone here. Let's see.
Wow, look how calls are super expensive compared to puts.
That means that they're gonna take it south and burn.
Calls are super expensive, man.
This is a dangerous game trying calls here. I'm
This
gonna
is
wait.
break of structure. This is break of structure level, guys. I have calls on my screen. If we just broke structure, guys. We're slicing structure. Never mind with calls. I got nothing. This is beauty. Did we take out yesterday's lows? Yes, we did. We made a lower low on a daily time frame. This is beautiful.
Yeah, QQQ rejected yesterday's lows completely, so looking bearish. I'm gonna try.
I'm chasing this. I'm in calls. I'm chasing this. I'm in calls. Boom, boom. I'm in SPX calls, by the way. Walking around
Why?
with SPX today.
Why?
My average is $8.10. Woohoo! I'm all out. There you go. Yo, SPX is an animal. I was fucking around with SPX all day yesterday, Ryan, when I was FaceTiming you.
Oh,
I
really?
made a lot of money.
Just be
Yeah.
careful, dude. Just be careful. I wanted to short that POC. That was perfect short right there. We're
We
in the
bounced
middle.
from break of structure, guys. Break of structure is 7:45 a.m. candle.
We're in the middle. I'm not touching this right now. I wanted to try calls off of that 638.65s, but I don't like the weakness on QQQ. QQQ's scaring me right now. They rejected yesterday's lows, and they're hanging out at pre-market demand. I would say puts would probably work here.
This would definitely work here. This is shaping to be my favorite style right now. I got puts on my screen now. Actually, no. No puts. Let the market shape up. This is sloping resistance, guys. Very deep sloping resistance. I just, it's too good to be true. Yeah, they're breaking it.
I gotta restart my broker. My shit's way too slow.
I'm in puts, guys. I just entered 0 dates. Sloping resistance. Let's see if it works. I want it to close below it, and I'm taking this to low of day again. It just looks like a strong selling algo, and I want to participate in it. If this breaks, party time for the bulls. Conditions are looking flat.
Yeah, there's a good potential that they just burn until FOMC.
Oh yeah,
Popping-
FOMC minutes today.
Yeah, it's at 11 o'clock. It's not even at 2. So, top and bottom of this channel right now is pre-market supply, 639.50s area, and then our bottom is going to be 638.60s. We're in the middle. I'm not going to participate in anything right here. QQQ's underneath yesterday's lows, looking like they want to print a fresh low.
VIX is at a crucial level.
Good possibility, dude. Fucking puts are going to print because QQQ wants to go lower.
Yeah. Come on, one more tick down. Ah, I was in profit there.
QQQ's looking like it wants to go lower. Just leave it alone. Let them break this range, I would say. Either play tops and bottoms. Don't touch the middle of this range.
Yeah, sloping resistance is breaking. Or is it? Look at that. We can't even have a closing basis above it. Weakness. They're showing weakness.
I just got in 639 puts. My stop is going to be above POC in the 50. They just moved POC down right here. Why? If they break this 638.60s, we should have a nice push to pre-market low, in my opinion. Continuous wick above the body. I wouldn't overstay your welcome until we get some dramatic type of move. This looks really controlled.
Yeah, this is pretty controlled.
I'm in at $1.27. I'm basically flat.
But I do like how we're validating yesterday's lows.
They're doing games with previous close. I think they're going to try to shoot this fucking thing out. I don't like this trade anymore. I'm going to get out of it. Let me see. I'm at $1.27.
I'm break even, so I'm still in.
I have like 2 cents here. Nothing crazy. I'm more concerned about getting bear trapped. Okay, here we go. I'm going to lighten this out.
Yeah.
I'm going to lighten this up.
I'm not fucking around. I just sold them out. I took 40 cents on that.
I'm going to lighten this up.
Is it dangerous I'm playing with SPX?
Yeah, especially on a FOMC day. We don't have big enough cycles yet.
This is break of structure level, guys. This is break of structure. We're approaching it.
I'm holding 50 runners, QQQ for fresh low, SPY, looking like they want to go touch pre-market floor. As soon as I see a bounce come in, I'm out. I have a $1.27 average. We're at $1.47. QQQ's looking weak.
Wow, this is profit taking zone, guys.
Yeah,
Profit taking zone.
I'm all out. That was a baby trade. I don't like that setup. It was scaring me like they were gonna flip the VWAP and blast off. Wait for a better setup. I want to see some drama. I want to see like a big overreaction or nice big candle south.
Well, they're validating the bottom, guys, so eventually it looks like they want to do break of structure. They're validating the bottom, guys. This is still bearish.
I wouldn't chase.
20-day moving average for SPY is 630, 634, guys.
The minutes are at 2? I thought they were at 11.
They're at 2.
Oh.
But this is just minutes. So
Oh, what the fuck did I read? Member Waller speaks at 11.
yeah, guys, this is bearish, 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 bearish. I'm in puts again. I'm chasing. I'm in puts. I know low of day is disgusting, but I'm in SPX puts right now. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm all out. There you go. Holy shit, buddy. That was $800 right there.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. SPX is an animal. Well, how many
Buddy,
contracts you trading
SPX
with?
is 10, 10,
5?
10,
Yeah.
10. SPX is a fucking animal, buddy. This is
Just be
wild.
careful, because if a fucking trap comes in, bye-bye. You can't dollar cost average SPX, especially this early into the session.
We already confirmed the break of structure, guys. We closed below on the 5-minute time frame. Structure is broken. This is bearish as a motherfucker. Hold your puts.
QQQ is complete vomit mode right now. They're way below
Price.
pre-market.
We got major demand at 637.66 if they want to go, but structure is broken. I have nothing now.
QQQ's in vomit mode. If I see power come in, I'm chasing calls, 638 calls. See if they do a little bear trap first.
QQQ is below the 20-day moving average, FYI, guys.
Yeah, Q's looking horrible.
QQQ needs to keep making 20-day moving average of resistance.
I'm in 638 calls. Let's see if this works.
569.60 is QQQ 20-day moving average, FYI, guys. And we're below it. This is very bearish.
I got a $1.42 average. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. This is sell target number 1. Holy shit.
Good job, Ryan.
Holy shit. Oh.
Good job.
Woohoo! This is POC. I got to take some here. Well, that was 30 cents right there. I just sold half. And let's see if they flip VWAP or not. This is VWAP POC. This is where I got to sell everything. But this is looking like a bear trap now. I'm just in runners. I got a stupid amount of profit on these, so I'm out.
I'm back in.
I'm out.
I'm back in puts. This is the POC.
Oh, this is the type of
Oh,
price action
yeah.
I fucking love, dude. If they do this shit,
Oh, yeah.
if they do these big candles, man.
I'm all out. Oh, SPX is my favorite now.
Careful. Let me look at SPX. What do the contracts look like?
I'm trading 63.95.
Okay, those are decent. They're not bad at all.
I'm just rinsing and repeating, buddy. This is wild. With 10 contracts, I'm up like crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. QQQ
Oh,
is still in
yeah.
vomit mode. QQQ is
Oh,
still...
yeah. Let's go, guys. Dump this bitch. QQQ is at major resistance, guys. This is break of structure 30 for for VIX. VIX is at major resistance. If VIX breaks out, guys, it's party time for the Bulls right now. For the Bears.
I might try to rinse and repeat this.
Be careful, Ryan.
Let me let them take
Be
one more leg down. I want them to go touch our bounce zone that we had in pre-market, 637.90s. But weakness is picking up on the Qs. Looks like they're stepping on the gas. No calls yet. Just wait. Wait for power. Once you see power, that's when you jump in. Everything's bearish right now. Look at the Qs, man. Qs is looking weak.
Uses vomit mode, buddy.
Yeah.
This is major resistance for VIX, though, guys. Major resistance. That's why I want to know what the fuck they want to do.
I want a little bit
If
lower.
They break out right now at $16 for VIX. Watch the VIX, guys. Watch the VIX.
Wow, put side's pretty heavy. A little bit lower. This is pre-market floor. Should I try it here?
I want calls at 637.65. A little bit lower and I'll be in calls. That's my level. A little bit lower, guys. A little bit lower. That's the biggest level.
They want to go lower.
A little bit lower. My purple line. Here we go, guys. We're about to hit it. We're about to hit demand. Strong demand here, guys. Strong demand. I'm in calls, guys. I'm in calls here. Let's print, baby.
I just jumped in 6,400 calls
Oh,
SPX.
yeah. I'm already up $1,000 here on SPX. This is wild.
I'm not taking this far.
Strong
Maybe
demand,
one
guys.
candle.
Strong demand.
You know what? I'm gonna get out of it. QQQ wants to go lower. This is looking like vomit mode. As soon as I see a candle flip green, I'll jump in. 6,400 SPX.
This is very, very strong demand, guys. The POC from the days back was at
very,
this level.
very dangerous though. Also,
Yeah.
because QQQ
If they want to break
leaking.
this, guys, we're gonna go full vomit mode, guys. This is where the smart money lives, right here.
I'm gonna wait for power. Wait for power to
Okay, I
come
gotta
in.
get out of this trade now. I gotta get out. You still want to push? It's a strong demand.
I'm in here. Let's see. Fresh low amount. $8.80 average. 50 contracts.
I'm in 6405.
I got in 6400s. 50 contracts.
Oh,
I'm out.
you're a big baller today.
No. I just hit the sell button when I'm wrong. I only took a $250 loss. Just wait for them to bounce and chase the power. That's all. Can't hold.
I don't know. This is my level. This is my level, guys. I don't know why the fuck they're not bouncing here. They should bounce here. There we go. There we go.
QQQ's bouncing. I'm back in.
There we go, baby. Oh yeah, go, go, go.
I'm back in. $9.10 average. I got a worse average. I should have just stayed.
Boom, boom, boom. Come on.
Bull's got no legs.
We should bounce here, buddy.
Bull's got no legs. Expect them to do a fresh low first. I don't like that wick above. Still selling pressure. I don't know how the fuck you talked me into SPX this early. I'm out.
just fucking around with 10 contracts. This is 2 weeks ago low, guys. Is it? Yeah, this is 2 weeks ago. This is a weekly level. That's why we're bouncing off of a weekly level. 2 weeks ago high, sorry. Weeks ago high level, this one.
This should work.
This
Get
should
a little
definitely
pop.
work, guys.
I got back in better average at 850.
I'm playing my level here. All right, I'm out. I took a $600 loss on that one. It's not working.
No, look at Q's. It's just complete vomit.
I really expected a better reaction here, guys.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot more room down, guys. There's a lot more room down, guys. There's a gap now. There's a gap at 635.91. If you're still in puts, keep holding them, guys.
I just took a $5,000 loss on SPX. Thank you, Dimitri.
Huge bearishness, guys. I mean, I took a loss, Ryan.
Yeah, I just had a lot heavier contracts. As soon as that candle flipped, I was down 5,000. Look at the vomit mode.
This is beautiful.
I'll get this back. I'll get this back right now. Fresh low overreaction and then bounce. potential. We'll see.
There's nothing here, guys. It's an empty pocket to the gap. 635.90 is price target now. There's nothing, nothing. Strong demand, bro. Strong demand.
They want to go lower.
Yes, they do. I'm shocked that they sliced this level right here where
Holy
where I started. Yeah, it's bearish, guys. It's bearish, 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 bearish.
Holy
Very bearish, guys.
shit.
The gap is the price target, guys. Gap at 636. Beautiful, beautiful.
Look at QQQ, man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There's going to be a crazy bounce when the bounce comes in. There's going to be a crazy bounce.
I don't think so. Not yet. Not yet. Keep holding your puts, guys. The gap is the price target. My blue line is my price target. I got nothing right now. I'm cash.
I got to fucking open up my time frames here. Where the fuck are we going? QQQ, look at QQQ.
Gap.
Holy shit.
QQQ is approaching strong demand. And SPY is going to the gap.
This is bounce zone on the Qs right here. I'm trying calls here. 63.85.
I'm in calls also with you. I just want a small little bounce.
Got no legs, Lieutenant Dane. Got no
Lieutenant
legs.
Dane.
I took a fucking pretty fat, juicy loss on SPX, so I am in a lot of contracts right now.
Oh, you never sold?
I sold. That one candle put me 5,000 red from 50 contracts.
You're sizing too heavy.
No, that's how I play SPX.
Oh, they're super weak still, huh? They want to
Crazy.
fill the gap?
Oh my God, Westside. Nice job, dude. Holy shit, they want to go lower. I'm out. Oh boy. I don't like how this day's shaping out. Holy fucking vomit mode, dude.
QQQ is at major demand, though. That's
Yeah,
why
they
I'm
are.
a little skeptical.
Holy
Woo!
fuck.
My
Filled.
God.
Gap is filled. This is the gap. Gap is filled.
Westside, are you still holding? I gotta try calls, dude. There's gonna be a crazy bounce.
No. I'm getting slaughtered right now.
On what?
I'm in calls right now. I'm getting slaughtered.
Oh, buddy, you gotta stop out in these market conditions, my friend. If you're wrong, you gotta just stop out.
Wow. They want to go weekly level now, lower low. I stopped out. I'm out.
This is oversold conditions right now. Very, very oversold.
Beautiful conditions.
How much did we just dump? We didn't really dump that far. QQQ still looking like shit. Is there news? Something? Let's see. Nothing crazy. I don't see anything. That's wild, dude. Max Pain was 643. Yeah, I'm in calls too, Norville. I'm down $1 on these. Well, never mind. I just flipped green. I'm expecting a crazy big bounce to come in.
We're approaching a weekly lower low level, guys. That's why I'm very skeptical what they want to do. This is a weekly lower low level. They should have a bounce here.
Oh, buddy, I'm minutes today. I bet you this whole fucking thing gets reversed. But QQQ, every time they bounce, dude, it's just a wick above the body, and there's selling pressure on the same candle. We need to extend. We need to have at least 2 or 3 candles of a push. We haven't had one.
VIX broke out, guys. VIX did a break of structure 30 minutes.
Oh,
VIX
of
broke
course.
out.
Of course.
It's the call to put ratio.
It's probably put side heavy. Yeah.
Now the gap is acting as
put
a
side is
resistance.
double. Put side is double. There's going to be a big bounce. I just don't know when the fuck it happens. So if you're wrong, just stop out if you're trying to catch the bounce. I'm down 30,000 on SPX right now. I'm getting my
You are insane, my
I'm getting
friend.
my ass handed to me. Every time I tried
This
to
is a
catch a
weekly low,
bounce.
guys.
I don't know why
We're
the
about to
fuck I
flip
I
weekly
started
level
playing
right now.
SPX. You got me like all FOMO'd. Nice job, Westside.
634.76 a level. I've got that marked.
Yeah, 634.76 is a level, and then 634.66 is last week's lows. This is huge demand area. If they break this, it's bad.
I'm back in calls. 63.85
That's why
calls.
I'm skeptical if they want to do a weekly lower low now.
Give me a fucking bounce to the promised land, my friend. I'm up 8,000 here. I'm gonna get my fucking loss back. Nice bounce coming in on the Qs.
Qs is also on major demand.
I don't like how they're rejecting 562.70s. I have a level there. I just want one little extension, one little push for bears to try to see if they can try to clap bears, because the put to call ratio is freaking heavy put side right now. Double puts. I expect a bounce. Look at the weakness though. Weakness still here. I have an 810 average. You blew it up, Joey, didn't you? Did you blow up?
Okay, listen. You fucking withdrew so much money. It's okay.
Yeah. That's why I wish you fucking took the 7,000, not the 5. It's not my fault, buddy. I'm down fucking 30 grand. So one thing about those fucking Top Step accounts, dude, they give you the euphoria of getting your payout, and then ba-boom.
Wow. They want to do a weekly lower low?
Yeah, I just stopped out again. This is bearish.
Weekly lower low. It's approaching.
They need to get above 635.80s for me to jump back in calls now.
SPY is below the 20-day moving average. QQQ is below the 20-day moving average, guys. This
Dude,
is
everything's fucking dumping right now. What the fuck is going on? I'm back in. Let's see if this candle works. Maybe that was a stop out candle for bulls. I'm not calling out my strikes because I'm hitting SPX, and I'm hitting it with size because I'm fucking down a lot. Okay, I'll flip green on this if we take off from here. Oh, yeah.
This is do or die for bulls, guys. If not, we're going to make a weekly lower low. Weekly.
That was a $13,000 candle. Let's see if we push.
Here we go.
My first sell target's going to be like 630, 650. I'm up 20,000 right now. on this trade. I'm still red 14,000 though. As soon as I flip green, I'm getting the fuck out of SPX.
Hughes needs to make it past 563.20. Somewhere in there.
They need to push through this right here. There we go.
Mhm.
Oh, Lieutenant Dane.
Come on, let's get it done. Oh, buddy, I got 100 SPX calls from the bottom. $7.80 average. We're at $10. I'm up 23,000. I'm gonna take half off here, just in case we
Take some off
reject.
here.
Yeah. I'm fine. I'll get this back in fucking one trade now. All right, I'm all out. Okay, I'm back to, what am I at? 10,000 red on the day. QQQ supply. If they flip that supply there, I'll jump back in. But I want to see QQQ flip this 562.70s area with power. I'm back in. Looking like they're going to push. QQQ's pushing. As soon as I see a rejection, I sell.
QQQ above POC. This is great. QQQ above major demand.
As soon as I see a rejection, I sell.
Lightning candle up, please.
Albert, are you holding calls?
Yeah, I've been fucking holding for a minute already.
What's your strike?
638. I know.
Whoa.
0 days?
0 days, as always.
Whoa, you are fucking far out of the money, buddy.
I know.
You gotta get better at stopping out, dude. I've stopped out probably 6 or 7 times today. If you gotta stop
I've
out
been
and
hearing you
reposition.
stopping out a lot of times. Got some balls.
Well, if it doesn't work, especially on the SPX side, if it doesn't work, you have to sell.
Yeah.
Same thing with
I
0
even
days.
stopped out twice. I
about
never
to-
stop out.
I'm about to flip green.
SPX, you not fuck around.
I'm about to flip green right here. There we go. I just flipped green.
I want to know if they take out the weekly level out.
I don't know, buddy, but I'm looking for a fucking put entry. As soon as I get out of this, they might take this right back to the floor. I'm out. Switching to puts. I'm in puts. 638, 63.80 puts. Boom, boom, boom. I'm green on the day. QQQ's holding supply. Boom, boom, boom. Give me one push and then I'm selling. One push and I'm selling. Oh, yeah. Come on. Push, push, push. POC just popped in
Here?
on QQQ. There we go.
Oh. Yeah, POC's been here.
I have a 1560 average. We're at fucking $18. Oh, yeah. 50 contracts. I'm up 14.5 right here. Taking 25 off. I just sold 25. We should get low a day. We should get low of day. Holding
Super
runners.
bearish.
Wow,
I
buddy.
love it.
Wow, buddy.
Super bearish.
This was 50 to
love
25 contracts right here on this
I'm
put.
loving it right now, guys. They want to take the weekly
Wow, wow,
lower low.
wow. I'm about to sell my runners.
All right.
1 second.
Weekly level, guys.
1 second. I'm about to sell my runners. Holy shit.
Where are they going?
Holy shit, I'm making fucking stupid amount of money. All right, I'm taking it all. I'm all out. 16,000.
Good job.
Holy shit. Look at QQQ, guys. Weak, weak, weak. Wind direction is south.
This is beautiful.
Nice job, Norville.
This is beautiful. Yo, they want to do a weekly lower low, baby. Let's go. Push a little bit lower. We're so close, baby. Come on. Hit my purple level. I really want a weekly lower low. Double bottom?
I'm staying away from this for a minute, dude. This wind direction south. Every bounce has been a good fucking short. So unless I see them back above 636, I'm not interested in chasing momentum. If we push off of this and go continue south, then maybe a call play would work to this floor, 635.20s. If we get like a nice push south from here, but we're stair-stepping south right now. QQQ is in complete vomit mode. If you guys are looking at QQQ's chart, there's no reason to try to buy calls at all.
This is great right here. We're a few cents away, guys. Weekly lower low. There we go. Here we go. There we go. Break this and it's a weekly lower low. Ah, we're bouncing off of it. We're bouncing. All right, guys. Bears just annihilated the weekly time frame. Beautiful, baby. This is profit-taking zone, in my opinion, guys.
They're gonna have a push, in my opinion. They're gonna
Profit-taking zone,
they're gonna
guys.
step on the gas. You're gonna see a big red candle coming in.
Yep, that's it, guys. This is weekly lower low level.
Every single bull is trying to jump in here. Let's see. What's the fucking ratio? Holy shit.
Chart is annihilated.
I'm trying calls to this floor. 635.20s. It's not far. Nope, that didn't work. I'm stopping out. I don't know what the fuck I just did, but holy shit, my order quantity was off. Whoops. Holy fuck. Dimitri, I just entered 100 contracts by accident, got $1.
Beautiful. Good job.
No. 100 SPX contracts, I just got $1 by accident.
Good job. This
Buddy,
is a weekly level.
Buddy,
guys.
do the math.
I'm trying calls here, guys. I doubt that I don't know. Don't follow me, but I'm shocked that they're not holding here.
I would expect them to do like one overreaction push south, like a big fucker. And then that's when you try to catch the bounce off of it. Because Q's
Got a level
is
at
just Q's is just
46.
complete. Dude, these levels aren't even. A lot of these levels won't work right now because of the amount of selling pressure we have. That's the only problem. We're in like a short. We're in a squeeze type of. Wow, I just got an alert on VIX. $17. VIX is back.
Oh, we are back with Vic.
I'm gonna try calls with you.
I'm shocked that they just sliced this like that's weekly lower low.
I want them to retest that floor 635.20s. I'm in at $12. 12.20. I'm in. Nope, I'm stopping out. Let them go first. I gotta stop playing with 100 contracts. This is dangerous now. All right. Let's see. I got a better average here. 1190. I'm in.
Solid bearish.
Yeah, there's not even a single fucking breath of a bounce. QQQ's trying to bounce. 635.20s is a safe bet for them to retest. If we push any lower than this, I'm out. I'm out. This thing's fucking teasing me, dude. Pings me out. I just jump back in. Let's see if we push this time. 1170.
Green.
1170 average. Oh yeah, I'm
Green
super
here.
fucking green.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
It was that warrior bounce.
635.20s I want. I want 635.20s. They can be a little sloping resistance here and they can flush it again. QQQ still has no power. You know, I'm going to take my profits. Take my profits.
Bulls just said bye-bye.
Today's shaped out to be a pretty disgusting day, huh? I did not expect them to go this far. And I will not be surprised if they V-shape bounce this thing into the minutes meeting. Because Max Payne was all the way up at 640. I'm back in calls.
I'm not fucking leaving.
I'm back in calls. 630, 63, 65, 1180. VIX spiked. We should get a nice cycle north. We should get a big push north when they do it. I just don't know when the fuck it's going to come. Bulls are completely slaughtered.
I think with so many puts coming in, they would head north.
Oh, yeah. Same thing. 1 or 2 candles, I'm taking it, and then I'm out. I'm going to take half off here. I just sold half. $12.50 from 1180. I'm out.
Bulls are not strong at all, guys.
No.
Just puts at every single pop for now.
We're too
Bulls are
oversold
not
for me to
strong.
fucking jump in puts here, though, dude, because you'll get your ass handed to you if they do try to take off. That's why the safer option is just to fucking try calls on the bounces, and then if you're wrong, then you stop out. Because eventually they're going to do the reversal that you're waiting for. Usually when they do a reversal like this, they're going to put in a fresh low, overreaction, stop all the fresh bulls out, and then hit the reverse gear. I would not be surprised if they make a fresh low.
I mean, if they do a giant red down to 633.46, I think that'd be a good bounce on them.
And that's when all the bulls that thinking it's going to reverse will just be like, all right, fuck this, I'm out. It's usually how they like to play the game when we're in one direction. It's oversold conditions right now. Very oversold. Let's see. Anything important?
Could be a bear flag.
What a day. What a day.
Little bears are here. Wow.
I want to try to open up this fucking... There we go. Here's your fresh low. Here is your fresh low. Do I want to try? I think I'm going to try. I'm back in calls, 63.65 calls. 50 contracts, $9.60 average. Instant fucking green. 4,000 bucks. This is sell target number 1 if they reject this. Yep, I'm going to take it. All out. Buddy, today's the day. Dimitri.
Today is the day, but I'm not even participating in this shit.
You're up a lot, though.
I'm barely up today. I'm up 800 bucks more than.
What do you mean? I thought you were up like freaking a crazy amount this morning.
I took 3 losses.
Oh, dude, as soon as they flip this, as soon as they flip 634 40s with power, just jump in 50 SPX. And then take it a candle, take it for like a push, and then jump out. Right now they're rejecting this floor. We're way too oversold for me to buy puts here. I want the momentum north. I'm back in. 630, 63, 65 calls. Dimitri, did you hit this? It's instant 5,000. Oh, yeah. 10,000 here. Dimitri.
Gotta push through this fucking
I'm out.
resistance.
Did you hit that, D?
I did not. I'm just waiting. Because we're right below weekly lower high. That's why.
Okay, I'm gonna take a break for right now. I'm up a pretty decent amount.
I want to wait for a cycle.
There's not going to be a cycle. they're gonna make it look like it's the fucking resistance, and then they're gonna blow through it and just take off because we're too oversold. You could probably chase calls here. It would work if they flip this right here. This is the 21. I'm back in calls. 63, 65 calls I'm in. This candle flips red, I'm out. Boom, boom, boom.
Come on, let's blast off.
Oh, yeah. Instant 3,500 bucks. This is the floor. This is where you sell some. This is where they could reject. If they flip this floor, it's going to be freaking V-shaped time. I'm going to take it off here. Let's see if they push. Come on. Nope. This is the floor. Pretty modest day.
What you up?
52,000.
Are you serious?
Yeah, buddy. I caught 2 trades that did like, I don't know, maybe $3 on premiums with 50 contracts.
You're wild. You're wild.
You fucking started this animal.
I'm scared. I don't want to flip red to green to red. That's why I'm still at 800 bucks.
Buddy, I just gave you, I told you, jump in SPX calls when they crack 634 40s. You would have printed fucking 5-6 grand on that, just on that little push. They went from $10 to $12.10.
It looks like it wants to go north.
This is rejection zone here. This is the floor from 9. This for the floor from 10 o'clock. QQQ is pushing though. I gotta leave it alone for right now.
I'm just gonna leave it alone. I want to see QQQ at POC. I want to see what they do.
POC just flipped to below where we're at. Joe's not
Really?
moved
I
to
have
49.
I have 562.50 for POC for QQQ.
I just went to 560.49 on TradingView.
Yeah, I got the same one as you. This is crucial here. If they flip this, bulls are going to try to step in. If they reject here, potential fresh low. If they reject this, let them go first. $63.65 puts I have on my screen. If they flip this area, I'm not interested. I'm in puts. 63.65. Oh yeah. I'm out. 2,500 bucks. So looking like a little bull flag here, but this is our floor. If we bump our head here, we should go to fresh low. I'm back in.
You think if they go past that floor, they rocket north?
We should get a nice push to the 50 on the 1 minute. But I'm back in puts because we keep rejecting this floor. Oh yeah. One little push, I'm out. One little push, I'm out. You You know what? Taking it. 13.50 to 14. What did I just get filled at? 14.50. $1.
I'm being so patient here.
You're leaving a lot of moolah on the table, my friend. We should go to low a day. I'm back in. Puts. Third time's a charm. Maybe not.
Like it's trying to push off a 634.83 or 80. Maybe not.
I'm out. I took a loss. And I'm back in.
This is very crucial. I want this level to be a support. This is a weekly level we're at.
We should go to low a day if they reject this, though. That's what I'm looking
This is
at.
very crucial. I'm trying calls.
Dangerous. I'm still in puts.
I'm trying calls here. This is a weekly level.
QQQ's looking like they have strength. I'm all out. Oh, fuck, man. This is making me get back in. I'm back in. 63, 65s. Give me low a day. Oh, yeah. Give me low a day. Give me fucking low a day. 50 contracts. I'm going to take 25 off. 1430 is my average.
Wow. I just flipped red.
I'm up a lot. I'm up a lot. I have a 1430 average. We're at 1660. I'm holding for low of day. Oh, yeah. Come on. Let's get it done, Joyce.
Yep. Bulls have no power.
Let's get it done, Joyce. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. 1730. I think I should book. I'm all out. I'm going to book.
Uses touching POC.
This is where you try long, Dimitri.
I am in longs. Just added.
Okay, I'm done with SPX. There's really no reason for me to fucking keep messing around with SPX. I'm up a Tesla. Low a day is inevitable if they lose this right here. 633.87. The body of that 1017 candle, if they close below that, the body of the 1017 candle, low of day. Do you guys see this perfect rejection? I had a line here. That's why I kept trying to short this. This was the floor. This was the floor. See that?
Gonna push
MBZ?
Oh, let me switch to your screen.
I just posted it in the chat. They rejected that floor to the T.
Let's go, baby.
Okay. Measly day for me.
Time to shut it down, option doctor. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, I'm up.
A lot.
Yeah. Dude, when we start to pop on VIX, it's fucking party time, man. It is party time. Thank you, dude. Both of my biggest plays were actually puts today. My last trade being one of them, and then where did I get inputs? I got inputs at 10:03, 10:02. Those were both of my biggest plays today, or puts on SPX. That 10:02 trade was 100 contracts. I made like fucking 30 grand off of that, 40 grand off of that. It's disgusting. Dimitri, don't do that to me again.
Dude, I was playing with 10 contracts.
I know you got me so excited today. And I was like, oh, this motherfucker's hitting SPX. All right. So I started messing around with like freaking 25, and then I got my ass handed to me twice. And I was like, all right, here we go. I am so back. I think I was down like 30,000 was how much I drew down today on this day. So for win to loss ratio, I'm okay with being right here. I drew down 30, I'm up 67. So.
There's so much sloping resistance. There's 2 of them. Holy shit, this is so bearish.
Can we take a look at the flow? Anything unusual coming in here? 30 days out. Remember that order that I posted that I kept talking about? The guy that had $11 million of 633 puts? He just went in the money, Dimitri.
Yeah. That's wild.
Holy fuck. He just went in the money.
Our money knows, big money knows. Come on. Just give me fucking break even at least.
POCs here on QQQ.
And if QQQ goes north, it's got a higher low. But SPY just printed a fresh low.
Usually when a reversal comes in, they're going to do one last overreaction, big attempt to stop all the bulls out, and then they try to go north. So since they went to fresh low and they reverse from here, I could see the reversal having legs if they try to do it. If not, we're going to stair step one more time. You gotta know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em.
The last 2 1-hour reds are nasty looking.
Look at the fucking 30-minute chart, guys. The 30-minute is shaping exactly the same algo as yesterday's.
Look at the put to call ratio.
Yeah.
Gross. So I'm surprised they haven't tried to do a bounce yet and take the money. So this could be a freaking event for minutes, dude. You remember you even said it yourself. Why is the call side double today? They just freaking beat calls. They just destroyed the call side, and then they'll take this thing back up to what's the 50% VWAP? 50% at VWAP.
636, 62.
What the hell did I just do? VWAP is at 636 30s, which lines up with the top of this. This lines up with the 1003 supply candle. Oops.
What?
Albert, are you alive?
638.
Holy
Let's
shit,
not
buddy.
talk for the rest of the day for now.
Albert, did you stop out? We're not going to 638, buddy.
We're not going to 630 fucking 8, but I'm fucking waiting for something, bro. I ain't taking a $3,000 loss right now. And why is my shit all
Holy
over fucking
shit.
YouTube?
Damn it. Why are you in fucking calls and so long of a loss? Oh, God. Conditions are bearish, guys. Everything is bearish.
Did you dollar cost average,
Hey.
Albert?
What?
Did you dollar cost average?
Ashamed to say.
You have to watch
wish-
Dimitri's Greeks class and his options class where he explains the delta and how options work. Did you watch that class?
Yeah, I did watch that class. I did. I'm just, what am I gonna tell you, bro?
No, I just you're
I'm too
getting
optimistic, bro. What can I tell you? I'm
You're
always
getting-
optimistic thinking.
you're getting learning lessons. That's it. But as of right now, you have a 19-cent contract, so that's the issue. Even if the reversal did
Yeah.
come in, it's your contract is
Oh, you
not.
need to add a lot to break even, yeah. Here we go. I'm getting my lunch.
Afraid to say,
Go, go, go.
I'm afraid to say how many contracts I have altogether at this point.
I don't want to know.
This is sloping resistance. If they
Let's just say
reject
it's the
this,
first
they're gonna
time
make
it's a
me go.
3-digit.
You have over 100 contracts.
Well, I had to, bro. I was fucking the shit.
Albert.
Was 120. Fuck.
We can reject here, guys. This is sloping resistance, fast track. We could reject here.
$635.21 is going to be your make or break, and then the supply next is 636.30s.
Yep. Sloping resistance rejected.
They're not going to
Both
go
have
up
zero
anytime
strength.
soon. This is going to be a burn. This is going to be a burn, and then they're going to fucking slowly take it up, in my opinion. That's the type of day.
Dimitri, I'm about to start. I'm about to break even on my fucking SPXS position, though.
Oh, you still have that?
Obviously.
Good job. Hell yeah. I sold mine yesterday.
My average is 443.
Yeah, Norville. Revelation was a little more reckless than Albert, though. Albert's just learning. Revelation was just reckless.
Oh, buddy, yeah, that guy.
I liked
Rest
him.
in peace.
He was just he was young, you know what I mean?
Hoping resistance rejected. We need to make a higher low here. If we don't make a higher low, we're gonna fucking nosedive. They want to go lower.
Yeah, for his purpose, Norville, he was very emotional because that was like a trust fund that he got or something. And he already lost a lot of it, and that's what he was trying to make it all back. That's why he was like super emotional, from my understanding. Oh, AR, today was the day not to trade, man. It's okay. It's disgusting. Disgusting, disgusting. Only reason why I'm green is because
Yep.
Dimitri made me trade SPX. Yeah. Albert, you see what Norville said?
Another fresh low.
Norville, to be completely honest with you, I'm sad regardless, but this is I'm losing. What I'm losing right now is all the gains that I've made for the last year in my long positions. I was like, what, like 20K, I think? So now I'm down to more than half of that now. That's just my profit, basically, I'm losing.
Do
Still
you
sucks,
do you have a
but I
max
held those
loss?
positions. Of what? What do you mean? Per
Like,
day?
no, do you have a max loss in your head, like how much you're willing to lose?
Yeah, I'm way past that right now.
All right. Could you write that down on a sticky note and tape it to your computer? And if it's $1,000 or $500, you just shut it off.
I'm actually writing some questions down as I'm going, as you're talking, because I kind of want to ask some of these questions to either to you, Dimitri, like
Go ahead, ask
privately
away.
to kind of, no, but I kind of want to do it alone just because,
That's fine.
everybody has different
Yeah.
learning capabilities, and I'm a little slow when it comes to this shit.
Dude, you're not slow. This takes a long time to be profitable. And that's like the number one Achilles heel to new traders is they'll make some money when they first start out, and then all of a sudden they think they can continuously do it, and bye-bye, there goes your account. So it takes time to be consistently profitable.
Right. Yeah, no.
You'll get there, dude. It's just it's a matter of protecting your capital that you have to work with, It's think of money as your tool.
I gotta check my fucking greed level. That's what it is. You know what I mean? Like, it's just me wanting to either I make my money back or I'm not making enough and I want more, and then that's when I fuck myself.
Yeah. Try not to get so hyper focused on making what you gave to the market back. That's gone. You know what I mean? Just forget about it.
Hmm.
Just focus on now. Focus on your intraday, focus on your positions, because you're going to constantly cloud your mind with, oh, I need this much, or you're going to be constantly doing the math. Just focus on taking little base hits every day, and then next thing you know, boom. Even though
No,
Joey
you're right,
blew
bro.
up his Top Step account today, he's still very consistent when it comes to like taking profits on the options side. Dude's been chipping away a couple $100 a day. And eventually, your confidence grows, and then you could start hitting them a little bit bigger. It's the same trades,
But come on, Ryan, there's not gonna be a fucking bounce today, bro? The fuck?
No, it's not going to be a bounce.
There's gonna be a slow grind north if they do it around the minutes.
They're going to burn. Then they'll
So
bounce when
2
it's all
o'clock.
completely gone.
2 o'clock. The problem that you have, Albert, is your contracts. Your contracts are so cheap. Your delta's garbage. So
Yeah, no, I know, 100%.
I'll tell you right
I'm
now.
just,
I'll do the math for you. So you have a 638 call same day, correct?
yeah,
What's your average?
average is now 45 cents.
45-cent average. You need this to go to 636.80s to break even.
Oh, shit.
636.80s is your break even. So
So much. That's
just above VWAP is your break even. There's the fresh low.
Great.
There's another gap, guys, at 632.24. Westside, you're still holding? Please tell me you're still holding.
No, I think he sold. He said something was wrong with his monitors.
Crazy part about it that I had a 639 put that I had in the very beginning of the day. If I would have just held on to that shit, I would have been chilling.
Yeah.
Could have, but didn't, of course.
Market, all of market, if you guys look at the heat map right now, is in complete fucking vomit mode. So I would just technology, communication services, consumer cyclical, everything's red. Healthcare is green. I don't really care about that. Financial services is kind of mixed. Industrials is flat. Semiconductor. Yeah, there's a lot of shit red, man. This market is not looking good. Dude, look at what they did to Mara today, Dimitri.
I'm loving Mara for the future, but Bitcoin is looking disgusting.
Yeah, but go on the 30-minute on Mara and look at that $15 area. They fucking cracked it. You see that?
Yeah.
Look at UNH is back under $300. Party's over on UNH. Is anybody still
So
holding
they're
UNH?
gonna drop UNH. They're gonna take UNH to low of that daily time frame. I knew it. I said it 3-4 days ago. Joey called me a savage. UNH was clearly a sell at that pop.
Wasn't Michelle holding UNH? Or
I hope she
Cherie?
sold.
One of you guys?
I hope she sold. Cherie's holding for the long term, I guess, but they're gonna take UNH to ground level 0 in my opinion, flush out all those Warren Buffett bulls, and then they're gonna go up. Long term cycle.
Google is an absolute dumpster fire today. AMD's down 5%. Tesla's down 4%. Nvidia's down 4% almost. When you see the herd in tech, all of tech bearish, you cannot fight the wind direction. If you saw a couple Mag 7s booming, then I'd say, yeah, expect a nice bounce to come in at some point, but everything's bleeding today. They're going to just bleed out, burn everybody, and then they'll bounce later, 2 o'clock time.
Yeah.
Just to take the money back from the bears before they close the market.
Range is
Well,
getting
thank
very
you, bro.
tight, guys. Very tight range. Sloping resistance is ahead of us. Above us.
Tesla. I'm looking at the order flow, see if there's anything. Everything's just calls. MSTR puts. Tesla calls. Nvidia calls. A lot of people are going long.
EOS macro is... I got BOS macro lower, Norval, no? Where's your BOS macro? I got BOS macro at 619.42, buddy. The lows of August 1st. That's my BOS macro.
639.63. Where the fuck is that? 639.63. Wow.
Yeah, the low of August 1st is BOS macro. They could fucking dump.
Let's see, monitor, all products. Put side is still heavy. Dimitri, you know I almost got slipped a whole dollar today on 100 SPX puts?
Your favor?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Literally pressed the button and it said fucking 10,000.
That's crazy.
They're like, here you go. Just take it.
Here you go. You ever watch that movie Dumb and Dumber when they're just fucking handing out tips towards the end of the movie? Here you go. Here you go.
Or when he opens the case and he's like, oh no, those are IOUs.
Yep.
He's asking for his money. That's as good as money, sir. Those are IOUs. He's
Either
like,
we break out like crazy right now, guys, or we're gonna go lower. This is sloping resistance again.
he bought the Lamborghini. He's like, you might want to hang on to that one. That one's 230,000. We got a gap. Did the gap fill?
There's another gap at 632.25.
Oof. Look at this fucking bloodbath. This is great, though.
VIX is at $17. VIX is up 10%, guys.
It's a much needed correction in the market. We needed this. We have fast track sloping resistance from 1002. I'd say until you see them try to push above that sloping resistance, I would not entertain calls. QQQ also has fast track sloping resistance. Whole market's bloody. Let's take a look at the order flow really quick.
Yeah, should I just sell, guys? What do you think?
You're never gonna be in profit. I'll tell you that much. 638. You're never gonna be in profit.
I don't mean
I'm
to
not trying
laugh.
to.
I don't mean to laugh,
It's fine.
Albert, but
It's fine.
dude,
I
those
fuck
contracts
myself.
are, what are they, 10 cents?
You're done.
You might as well just let them ride and see what the fuck happens. That's just, I mean, that's up to you, obviously, but they're just so beat down. I wouldn't recommend adding anything more to it.
Look at that. This is not going anywhere.
Huh?
Not going anywhere. What's the fucking point?
Yeah, because they're so far out of the money. There's two things. Number one, stop holding. Number two, stop dollar cost averaging. If you can fix those two things, you'll be profitable.
Trying to catch a fuck down.
This is sloping resistance.
In front of me.
Let's see if they want to break this.
Holding.
We keep rejecting sloping resistance, guys. They want to go lower.
Oh, there. All right. It's right in front of me. You know what? Number 3. Max loss.
Gap at 632, 620s is gonna fill, in my opinion. They want to go flush mode, baby.
Are you still holding your calls?
Oh, I'm evaporated completely. I'm down 12,000 on the day.
Oh my god.
I don't understand. Why are you holding, Dimitri?
I'm holding 50 contracts.
SPX?
Yeah,
You're holding 50 SPX.
yeah.
What the fuck's wrong with you?
I don't feel so bad about my trade now.
Dude, you fucking well, Dimitri's SPX, if they reverse, he'll make money. Your contracts are just evaporated.
If they reverse, I'm fucking adding like a madman right now. I'm just waiting for the reversal. The sloping resistance, I'm waiting. Once sloping
You
resistance
shouldn't
breaks, I'm
hold
gonna
though,
double.
Albert. It's Albert holding, especially SPX. It doesn't work. It's just hopes and dreams right now that they hit the reverse gear.
This is sloping resistance. We're about to break. I just added. We're about to
God.
break, and I gotta get my loss back here. Come on, break this fucker. Here we go. We're above sloping resistance finally, but then there's another one above us.
Oh my god. Fucking chop zone, bro.
The move is done. What they wanted to do, they finished already. Now they're just gonna chop, 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 chop. Burn, burn, burn.
Just waiting for the 11 o'clock news, I guess.
There is no news.
So you said there was news at 11, no, right?
2 o'clock.
No, it's at 2:00. There's a FOMC speaker, orange folder coming on at 11. It is, who the fuck is it? Member Waller. I have no idea. I don't know if they really moved the market or not. Sloping resistance just broke though.
Yep. There we fucking go. I'm recovering.
That move just gave me one set.
That move just brought me back. POC. Give me POC. Or test last week's lows.
Here you go, Albert.
Michelle, that's for extreme volatility. That method works for extreme volatility.
Oh, dude, I've been posting in fucking the unusual whales. What an idiot. Here you go, Albert.
Oh, I like that. Where did you post that?
And
Oh,
spy
right here, I
trade.
got it, okay. Doing this, literally got this out right now. always pop up over here.
They just back-tested sloping resistance perfectly. But QQQ needs to be above this floor here. QQQ's floor 559.87. If QQQ rejects that floor, fresh low on SPY.
That's exactly, yeah, fucking. Always cut losers fast. Hope is not a strategy. That's the problem, bro. Hope has been my major fucking strategy.
Oh, of course. It's that euphoria. Then you start doing math in your head and you're like, oh, well, I just need it to go to here. They could do that. Market makers are masters at taking money. They're masters.
Go.
You need this thing above VWAP to have a chance of getting out of it alive.
Well, me or him?
You.
No, I'll be even at fucking 634.02. I'll be even on my position.
I'm talking about Albert.
Albert,
needs,
don't forget your account sizing also plays a huge role. Can you add?
Yeah.
100
Relative.
times?
Yeah, I get it.
I kept
I'm
adding
losing
10
a lot.
contracts, 10 contracts, 10 contracts. I'm up to 125 contracts right now.
How many?
125 SPX. That means it's what, 1,200, Ryan, of SPY?
Yeah, that's a lot. The problem, dude, is if they reject here and go to low a day, those things would just get evaporated. You can't hold SPX long. 0 day SPX, it's better for just momentum.
Correct.
And we completely dried up. Choi, what do you mean? Did we go through small account woes? I blew up my account multiple times. Trading a small account is the hardest part of trading.
What's considered small, by the way, in your world?
For me, I can't trade under $100,000, $200,000 account. I can't trade. The way I trade, I have to have a huge account. Because I can buy myself out of anything.
Yeah, I like that, Joey.
There we go.
Fucker.
There we go. There we go, baby.
I also bailed you out of a couple of your top step accounts, too. Give me some credit where it's due, buddy.
This is major sloping resistance, guys. If this breaks, it's POC time. This is major sloping resistance. You could reject here.
Yeah, Choi. The easiest thing for me was, okay, so it's a double-edged sword because when I initially got my account to over 25,000 and I switched to margin, I blew it up. I overtraded it. I blew it up. Like initially. That's going to be your biggest struggle. It's going to be your overtrading when you have margin. If you're talking like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 accounts, small accounts, you have to just trade a couple trades a day, maybe 1 or 2 good trades a day, and just shut it off. That's it. That's how you get past that threshold. The best thing to do is stay off of margin, I'd say, until you get to like 30, 40,000. Can't fix something that's not broken. So if you're profitable trading on a cash account around 20 grand, just leave it alone and just keep compounding. Big thing is not withdrawing. If there's a way where you can trade and just keep the money in there and just watch the account grow, that's the best That's the best way.
I just flipped green. Go, baby. There we fucking
Ryan,
go.
are you overall in the green in your entire trading career?
I just sold half here. I sold half.
Yeah, very.
Oh, wow, good.
POC, I'm taking everything. There we go. You know what? I'm taking everything. I'm all out.
Albert, this
Well,
game is very it's very rewarding once you figure it out.
No, obviously, bro. You can't make money nowhere like this.
Right, but I'm just saying the question you just asked me, you can lose for 8 years in a row and then have one good year and make it all back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but the thing is,
holy
you also got to
shit.
take into account your confidence level, your fucking mental state of what it could do to you. You know what I'm saying? It's all about staying in the game. Like, and I think the average person wouldn't, in their logical mind, want to stay. You know what I mean? Just because
No,
of
the average person likes comfort and security and guaranteed paychecks. You know?
Well, yeah, but at the same time, like, look, you make, you lose, you make, you lose, and you're thinking like you're at a fucking casino. It's like it's all bullshit at the end. Like, that's
No,
what
no,
the
no.
person
You do
starts to
not
go through.
disrespect the market. This is not a casino.
No, I'm not. I'm saying you start to look at it that way. I'm just saying, I give you props for staying, both of you guys, for staying in it and keeping at it. That's great.
I
And things turned around, obviously.
Yeah, I like what Norville just said. It's if you don't have a strategy and you're not systematic about how you're going to stack your wins up, then yeah, it's your casino trading, and you're just looking to see if your wins pass your losers. But if you have a systematic approach, and you could take your profit and shut it down, dude. The main thing is just fucking leaving it alone. That's the main thing, Albert. Is just leaving it alone.
This is last week's lows. This is POC.
You
Price
suggest
already
people
hit.
paper trade in the beginning, like with you guys?
What'd you say?
Paper trade in the beginning?
You should.
Yeah, I'm talking about for like the beginners like me. Like being on the live stream.
Dimitri's been telling you that since you joined.
I've been telling you that, Albert.
He's been telling you that. He's been telling you that you're in learning mode. Stop it.
Albert,
you're gonna lose all your money, Albert.
You're gonna lose all your money, Albert. I promise you, in this twisted game. I promise you, you're gonna lose everything if you don't stop.
You could try Top Step, like Joey recommended, just to learn risk. You can learn. I think that helped Joey with his risk management. Truly, because you have
Top Step?
It's like you pay $50, $150 to trade other people's money, and you have to pass tests.
No, don't get him into that. Don't get him into that fucking bullshit.
Oh, I think it's good to learn risk. Joey has very good risk.
Albert has money for that shit. He'd fucking buy like 500 accounts like I did. Don't do that, Albert. I'm telling you.
Oh, no, I don't think I need that, bro. I just need to stick to the rules, bro. I just gotta max 10 contracts a day in the beginning, and that's it. And win or lose, just that's it. Shut it down. And just and focusing on, like right now, I'm mainly relying on your signals. I'll be honest with you, and I'm really, I don't have the same conviction as you guys, and that's what I want to develop, is that conviction. Is like, okay, based on my setup, based on my lines, I did it in the morning on my own, kind of be self-sufficient a little bit, so that way then I could tell you, hey Ryan, hey Dimitri, this is what I did based on my trade, based on my lines, that's why I took this. And then you guys could correct me, well, hey, you didn't consider X, Y, and Z though. And that's how I feel like little by little I add on to my game, and I'll learn better and better that way.
Joey, how long did it take you to get to that point where you can look at a chart and read a chart and make a decision?
Problem with paper trading is that there's no emotions. Also.
Yeah, I did that also before, and I was fucking hammering 200-300 contracts, not giving a fuck. I would even forget about it.
Correct. The issue is that you need to develop charting experience. You need to understand where your levels are at. I trade level by level. That's my edge. I'm a very good chartist. So find your edge. If your edge is just following Ryan, that's not an edge, buddy. Ryan's gonna get hit by a bus one day.
I got hit by a bus today, but I was able to flip myself out of it. It's just you stop out when you get hit by buses.
Yeah.
I think we get hit by buses weekly. You know, it's
This
just
is a weekly level, guys. If they reject this level as new low of day, if they make this level of support, we're gonna go higher.
Are you talking about like
But above
physically
it-
getting hit by a bus?
Correct. Yeah. If you get hit by a bus, what's
Or
gonna
you're
happen?
talking about getting
Who's
hit
gonna
by a
follow?
bus in the market?
No, in general, like if you get
Oh.
hit by a bus, nobody could fucking follow you. You get it? Like anybody follows you. It's not a
He's
good
talking
thing.
about the Kevin O'Leary way, bro. Like, you know how he always says it on fucking Shark Tank? Well, you could get hit by a bus tomorrow and, you know, then the business is over. You know what I'm saying? I get what
Correct,
he's saying.
correct.
He's basically, what Dimitri's saying is you need to fish on your own. Like, you cannot
Correct.
be basically hoping for you guys to catch fish for me. You know what I'm saying? You could decide to retire tomorrow, and then what? Then I'm like, okay, I'm done with trading.
I have puts on my screen, guys. Once break of structure level hits, a little bit above where we are. If we hit break of structure, unless we just reject here. We could reject here, but I want a little higher. How much you up, Ryan? I want to get up to you today.
I'm up a lot.
Like a guy.
I'm up a lot. I feel bad, dude. I don't like having a big day and there's people bleeding.
You don't have to feel bad, bro. You could just distribute people's their you know, their losses. That's all. You have
Yeah,
enough to cover everyone.
Yeah, MBZ, what do you need? What can I help you with?
This is potential rejection zone, guys. Sloping resistance was never back tested. Actually, no, it was. On the 1 minute, it was. On the 5 minute, it did not back test. I feel like they're gonna go low of day again.
I don't know if I should just fucking.
I have nothing though. But conditions are getting better now. Bears are giving up. You see, Albert, how the clouds are getting skinnier? That means the bears are giving up.
What's a cloud again? That red
Correct.
shaded thing?
Correct. The cloud is getting skinnier. The bears are giving up steam. Like the momentum for the bear side is giving up. So anything can
Oh,
happen.
I think you should have a doc that says all these fucking lingos, bro. Because I don't understand like a lot of these acronyms
You never
that you
took the
guys have.
intraday class. You got to take the intraday class, buddy. I talk about this in the intraday class, the master class. Bulls are coming. Bulls are coming. Look at that.
Albert or
Break of structure
MBZ,
level.
what do you want me to help you out with, buddy?
I really just want to see like what y'all press to trade because there's like 19 ways to place orders.
Okay.
And I'm trying to see like what's the quickest way in and out of options. Is it the options ladder? Is it active trader?
all right.
Like active
Go-
trader seems like a lot
Give me the
because
video.
you've got to like send send the call or put that you're looking at, but I'm sure there's a quicker way than what
Are you on a computer right now or no? Or are you on your phone?
I'm actually in this call right now.
Beautiful, guys. This is a break of structure level. I'm in puts here. I just got answered. This is do or die for the bulls and the bears. This is the level here. This is break of structure. I'm
MBZ,
in puts.
if you want to click share your screen, I can set everything up for you.
Okay. Yeah, I'll share. Give me a second though. I'm trying to route this call out.
It should.
This is
Okay,
Ryan, I don't
Here-
suggest that.
if they flip
I
this,
suggest you give him the video because then
flip
he
If
this-
will
they flip this, guys,
understand.
is bulls parade.
yeah, if they flip this 630, Albert, you might be able to get out break even.
Yeah. This is a very crucial level, guys. That's why I'm in puts. Very crucial here.
Lightning candle ring, please, God.
Albert, what are you at right now?
22 cents, 23. Oh, 45 cents.
That's your average?
26.50 minus. 45 is my average.
I only have 30 contracts.
Are you green on the day, Dimitri?
18,200. 18,500.
Oh yeah.
17,000.
Please, come on. Ryan, get on your hands and knees, brother.
Imagine if
Send
you
us the
just stopped
fucking
out and hit it at the bottom though.
Hey, I'm down 2,400 in calls right here with you. I mean, I just now jumped in calls, but I kept trying to catch a bounce, and I sold when it went red, but I just kept fucking losing 200, 300,
Yeah.
giving it back.
Eat you
A
up.
nasty bounce right here would be beautiful.
This is supply on QQQ also. They can
This is
reject here.
supply. This is strong supply, guys. 2 minutes and 45 seconds until break of structure confirms. We need to see a firm 5-minute close
I can
above
see
this
them
level
doing a
where we
cycle
are.
off of this back to POC before they continue. If they continue, we got VWAP right above. Everybody's going to dollar cost average at VWAP, all the bears, and then they could try to push if they want to be bullish.
They could break VWAP and make everybody bullish and then dump like crazy. So that's another thing. They do that actually. They break VWAP and then they dump.
QQQ has a lot of room though. QQQ's above supply. They should go north.
I'm about to take a loss.
I thought you were in calls.
I am. No, I'm in puts.
Oh.
Well, I entered right here. I'm down 2,400.
Didn't you say you were in 125 SPX calls?
I sold everything. That's why I posted my win. I sold everything.
Oh. Brother, ew.
Well, I'm down 3,000 on this position right now. 30 contracts.
QQQ's got a lot of room to VWAP. Let's go west side.
Yeah,
West
I'm not
side's a
fucking
goat.
around here. I just took a loss.
Damn, West Side. Hey, on. That's what's up.
Anytime
Holy
it waterfalls
shit.
puts, I know West Side's about to post a $40,000 day, $50,000 day.
Holy shit. Westside is the champion.
Damn, you guys got some serious weld up in here, huh?
I'm cash. I want VWAP to break and I'm going to strike again. I'm cash right now. I think VWAP is going to break, guys.
That's a measly day, west side. Very modest of you.
AR, don't feel bad, bro. I'm down 2,100 so far. Was down
About the
4K
same
at
thing
one
as you,
point.
Albert.
Yeah?
Albert, I would,
Yeah, like
I would
1950.
You
I would
what?
get ready to fucking take some of your position off, Albert. Just in case they reject from here.
30%? I mean, like 50% of it, get rid of it?
What are you at right now?
I just sold. I'm going to jump back in calls if it pulls back, but I think it's going to pull back. It's been going up for a while.
Just
I'm
right under
at,
VWAP. I want to see them. I want to see them blow past VWAP.
Me too. Once they blow past VWAP, I'm getting back in. I took a loss.
636 30s is going to be a nice supply, but QQQ 1 2 3 4 5 6 QQQ staking green candles right now. I could see them fucking doing a V shape now. If they blow past 636 30s.
I get rid of half? Ryan, help me.
Hold on.
Wait
Let VWAP break.
Wait until they
is
see
gonna
what
break.
happens
VWAP
right here.
break.
This is important here.
I think VWAP is going to break, Albert. Once VWAP breaks, I highly recommend you just take everything out.
Everything?
QQQ's got a little more room. QQQ's got a little more room. Let's see them blow past VWAP first. If they reject it, then I would say jump out, but they should blow past it. 636 30s, I would be completely out of everything. If they launch this thing past 636 30s, I'd say stay in them.
Here we go. This is your opportunity, Albert. This is your opportunity. VWAP is
All of
breaking.
it? All of it or half?
I'm in puts.
Albert, just take half for right
motherfucker.
now.
Just take half, right?
Yeah.
60. Sold. Okay.
Right now, Albert, the main thing that you need to watch is 635 20s. If we get below 635 20s, get rid of your runners. If we stay above
35.20.
If we stay above 635 20s, then you can stay in your runners, and we should touch 636 30. This is our channel. We're in the middle right now. We're at VWAP. All the bears are dollar cost averaging here. I'd like to see them push up to that supply, 630, 630. Anything past 630, 630, bulls are going to try to push. You guys are very mixed today.
bulls.
There's a lot of people green and there's a lot of people red.
Yeah, I just kept
50-50.
anticipating the bounce. Personally, way too much.
QQQ, look at the structure on QQQ right now. Something's cooking, man. They're freaking stacking green candles right now.
Oh fuck. Yeah. I hope this shit doesn't fall off a cliff right now.
This is supply, QQQ. QQQ's at VWAP. If they push from here, you should get a nice push, Albert, to 630, 630s.
No, Hashem, Barat. We need more Jews in this group.
We got Patels.
We have a lot of
Patel.
Patels.
The Patels are the closest thing to being Jewish, that's for damn sure. You guys ever watch that Russell Peters segment where he talks about who's the cheapest between the Jews, the Indians, and the Chinese people?
No, he's the Indian comedian, right?
Yeah, he's nasty though. He's fire. He's one of the GOAT.
I'm loaded right now, guys. Loaded. I'm gonna get my ass handed to me if this doesn't work out.
QQQ still looking very, very strong. Albert, staying him for now.
I'm still staying up.
635. I would set your hard stop at 635.21, and I would start trimming if we blow back through VWAP. That's how I would manage this trade right now.
Yeah, I got the line.
630, 630s is going to be make or break for you. If bulls step in above 630, 630s, then they can launch. QQQ is looking extremely bullish. QQQ is above VWAP. SPY's above VWAP. All the
Be
bears
very
are
careful,
scrambling.
Albert. They do this. They break VWAP and then they dump even more.
I don't know, buddy.
What to tell you.
After a big dump day, all the bears are scrambling right now.
I mean, this is the 50% retracement. That's why be very careful.
Every single bear that's held their puts is just dollar cost averaging, and the put to call ratio is very put side heavy all day. So they could, if they flip this 630, 630 supply, they could push.
If it goes back to 638, right? I'd be heavily green.
I don't have my broker open to check.
Same days though, a lot of time the theta can decay.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's
This
been a
is
couple
supply
hours.
here. Let's see if they push.
Let's go, motherfuckers.
Have your finger on sell, because if they reject this, you got to get out. This is supply. If they blow past this, just fucking stay in them, and then set your stop at VWAP now.
What's VWAP? The yellow or what? What is that?
VWAP's at
Yeah,
635.75.
Yeah, yellow is VWAP.
This is supply right here. If they push, they can push. Something's cooking. QQQ has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 green candles in a row on QQQ. Something's cooking.
We just hit the 50% retracement. We just hit the 200 EMA on the 1 minute.
And this is major supply. This is major
drama
supply.
zone. Correct. I'm waiting for a collapse. I'm not fucking leaving. Boom, boom, boom. Go, go, go. I just broke. Go, baby. Let's fucking go.
You just broke?
I just broke even. Let's go. I'm green. Let's fucking go, baby. I'm loaded, Ryan. I have 100 SPX puts.
Why are you trading SPX?
I don't know. Yesterday I was scalping just 10 contracts, and I made crazy money.
You're not trading SPX correctly though. You're holding in dollar cost averaging. That's not the correct way to trade SPX.
No, I'm taking losses also. I'm taking losses. I know. Not to fuck around with SPX. I know. I just know the dirty games they do. They break VWAP, everybody gets bullish, and then they dump even more. They've done this many times.
Look at the
That's the
market
setup.
though. Look at the market though, dude. They took it down all day. There's so many bears that are getting paid right now. All the bears are scrambling and dollar cost averaging, and they're gonna shoot it out. That's what I think.
Let's see.
Shoot it out. Come on. Shoot that mother. Blow that load up. Pause.
Are you close to break even, Albert?
Yeah, almost, bro. My shit is at 42 cents.
But on the day,
Your average is 48?
What?
Your average is 48 cents?
Oh, but why does my average stay here 23 cents now, trade price?
because you took half of your position off.
What the fuck does that mean? How much do I need to now? What does this need to be worth for me to break even for the day?
Look at your P&L now.
What broker are you trading on?
TOS.
You should see your position, your P&L open at the bottom, and then your P&L day.
Well, P&L day is wrong because it's going with my SPXS position. That's why, because I'm up on that and I'm down on this.
Are you green on the day or red on the day?
Red on the day.
How much?
950 P&L of right now on 890 on SPY. 950 back to 950.
No, what's the day say?
The day is minus 106
Okay.
because again I'm up on SPXS $840, right? And then 950 I'm down on SPY, so the difference is 170. Now, you get it?
Yeah.
I don't even pay attention to the XPXS position.
I think they're fooling this supply here. This supply
This is a
looks-
50% retracement.
You think they go north, option stock?
Yeah, I think they're fooling this supply, and they're gonna try to push. Everybody's fucking dollar cost averaging puts here. All the bears that were trapped.
Yeah, they're going through what the fuck I went through earlier. That's what they're going through probably.
QQQ is just looking extremely strong right now. They're gonna potential they can do a nice fucking V today.
V shapes make higher highs.
Albert, your main thing to watch is going to be VWAP first, and then 635.20s is that's it. If they blow through VWAP, good chance that they touch the demand at 635.20s.
They're not going there, bro.
They could do a cycle and do drama here and get the bears excited and then shoot it back up. We haven't had a pullback on QQQ since 1050, so something's cooking.
They did break structure though. Structure's bullish. Just fucking consolidating 50% now.
If I was fresh eyes into this market and I was a retail trader, I would say this is the best area to short, and that's why they could continue to push north, because this looks like the most obvious place to short. Based off of what happened this morning and how many puts are on the board, the put to call ratio was double.
Ready.
1
Be
minute.
very careful, Albert.
1 minute closing basis, Albert. If we close below VWAP on the 1 minute time frame, then I would say get out of it.
Be very careful, Albert. Be very careful if you have calls here, guys. 50% retracement.
Bro, what's there to be careful? I'm fucked already.
I know, but
I'm
you
just
could be
trying to-
fucked less. You could be fucked less. That's why I'm telling you. Be very careful here. Reset yourself here.
You're only down $100
so-
bucks on the day, so you're fine.
Ooh.
You.
Me? Bro, why are you counting the XPXS position? I'm not even counting that.
Because it saved your ass. It covered. It covered you from holding your fucking stupid same day from the top to the bottom.
It is more of a hedge because he has shorts and he has a long position, so that's why.
Yeah, that's why Honestly, Dimitri, I'm not taking that fucking trade anymore. Give me a different stock. Give me a different ticker.
I mean, if you're green on it, close your position. But I feel like we're gonna go even lower.
No, I'm still
It looks
down.
like market conditions. They want to test the bottom Bollinger Band. So I would hold your SPXS for now.
I'm gonna hold it, obviously. No, I'm still down. I'm still red on it. I was green on it
Macro. I
when it
feel
was
like they
low
want
of
to go
day.
lower.
I still
It's
personally
gonna
feel
work
like
out
they're.
in
I
2 days.
personally feel like they're fooling the supply and they're trying to get more bears on the board and they're gonna fucking launch. That's what I think. QQQ is extremely bullish. We should have a breakout right now.
There we go. Come on, come on, come on.
Dimitri, you should stop out of those SPX puts.
I'm about to stop out. I know.
I'm down 640. What do I do? What do I do? Hey,
I
I
wouldn't,
got a
dude.
level at
I would get yourself
637.
green and just close all your shit because the SPXS is working against you as SPY goes up. That's
bro, forget about SPXS completely. Don't worry about it. I know that I'm gonna get my money back on that. I don't even focus on it. That was just a hedge, like Dimitri said, just to put my money into something.
so you took half of your position off. Your average was 40 something cents.
45 cents, yeah.
What are you at right here?
Down 520 now, and my average is 23 cents here, it says. The trade price is 48.
This is basically break even for you if you didn't take your ad off. But you took your ad off as a safety in case they reject
yeah,
it.
no, it's fine. It's fine. I don't regret my decision.
I don't see a reason to sell until we fucking start cracking through these demands. So just manage, dude. If you see a
Okay.
nasty pullback,
Okay.
just get out.
The balls.
But VWAP would be like my hard line in the sand. And then once we push a little bit further off of this, then you're going to move your stop to 630, 630s. That will be your next stop. That's where you drag your stop up to if we continue to push out of here. What I think is all the bears that got paid this morning and the put to call ratio was double. They just came back up to 50% retracement and looked like the best area to short. And every single one of those bears that didn't take their profit just dollar cost average, and now they're going to try to continue north. And both sides will be clapped.
Basically what they did earlier to me.
Yeah.
The opposite.
Yeah, because right now every single bear that didn't take their profits like scrambling. And now they're stepping on the gas to go north. Dimitri, I hope you stopped out, dude.
I added.
Dude, you just stop. 100
I
Dimitri.
just flipped break even on the day. I just
Yeah.
lost so much profit.
Yeah, you cannot hold. You're holding SPX too long. You cannot hold in dollar cost average
my
like that.
contracts are in the money.
I'm so happy right now. I didn't make shit, but I guess I'm so much happier now because fucking down heavy, bro, honestly. For my account side, that is. Just one lightning candle and hold it for 2 seconds so I could press the sell button.
As we continue to just slow crawl up, dude, I would continuously lighten your position. Because if there's a lightning red candle that comes in, you're fucked.
Oh, look at that. Just that little candle is $200.
You're also still out of the money on your contracts too.
Yeah. No, I know.
So I would just slowly just fucking take some off as we continue to crawl up.
Give off another 30.
We're approaching the 61.8. If we blow past 61.8, we're gonna touch high of day. That's why I added. So I'm not fucking leaving. I just flipped back green.
I have a feeling they're doing what Ryan is saying.
No, I
They're
have a
sucking
feeling
in
they're gonna dump. They're gonna dump like crazy.
I have a feeling that both of you guys are morons. You're holding out the money fucking puts from this morning, and you're in over leveraged SPX puts.
Well, there you go. Look at that, baby. Let's fucking go.
Fucking A.
This is where they could bounce, Albert. This is bounce zone number 1, 630, 630s. Bounce zone number 2, VWAP. If they lose VWAP, then get out of everything.
Bounce a 30 contract.
Let's go, baby. Let's trap all these fucking bulls. Let's trap all of these morons.
There wasn't any bulls. It was bear side heavy. That's what I was trying to say. There was no bulls. It was just bears, bears, bears. So they're trying to take the money from the bears. Bulls got fucking ran over by a bus today.
Yes, come on, motherfuckers.
Gonna play around this channel for a second, I bet.
Sorry, Dimitri, I don't mean to go against you, bro.
No,
But-
it's fine. I
But our
actually
brothers
hope
gotta make it.
I actually hope that you get green, because if we take out 637.10, we're gonna go high of day. 637.10 is a line in the sand because it's a 61.8 retracement. So if we take that out, we're going to 639.60s. That would be epic. They dump it and they take it all the way up. That would be very epic.
Could you take a look at the put to call ratio? Is it still
Yeah.
double puts?
It is. Let's see. I
If
didn't
it's
look at
if
it
it
today.
put side heavy, still they're going to continue north.
2.9 million versus 2.1 million.
Yeah, they're going to continue north. They're trapping bears.
Why couldn't they be predictable every day like this? To know, like, okay, now we're trapping the bears. Now we're trapping the.
Because
So
this
you
is
always
like
have
a
a chance to make your money back.
this is like a scary fucking climb of doom, because they could take the elevator, Albert, and fucking send this sucker straight back to low a day. I don't like when they go slow. I do not like when they have these slow moves. We bled out all morning to 11 o'clock, and now we're making a big V. The put to call ratio is on Thinkorswim. I don't know if there's any. Let me actually see. Can I do put to call ratio with the unusual options? The
Here,
whale?
I'll send it. I'll send it to you guys. Here's the potential.
I've never used Tasty Trade. I'm not really familiar with that broker.
Did Cheddar Flow ever get back to you on filtering all this bullshit?
Yeah. Yes, they did.
By the way, Albert, remember when I begged you to sell coin and you're like, what if it goes up? I want you to check
Yeah.
out Coinbase now. Look at
No, I
coin
saw
now.
already. I saw. I checked actually this morning. I was like, thank God I sold that shit. Okay, I think I should stop.
I'm green on my position now. Let's fucking go. Anything past this is print factory, baby. I have 125 contracts.
Brian,
Yo.
input.
Huh?
Input.
This is bounce zone. This is previous supply. This is where we can bounce. If we lose this, then VWAP. And if they lose VWAP, then sell. That's what I would say. Dude, you've been blessed by this bounce, so no matter what, you have to sell if they start pulling back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, obviously, bro. Thank God. I was down over 4K, bro.
Yeah.
Now I'm 785. Way better, honestly.
Oh, put to call ratios on Chart Exchange? I didn't know that. Thanks, Norville. Max Pain. What is Max Pain? 640. Everybody loses at 640.
Come on, give me a royal flush. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is sloping support, guys. If this breaks, it's game over for the bulls. But conditions are still bullish. Oh, yeah.
Should I play it?
What?
Dun 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 dun.
Green. Oh, green.
We go. Come on, if we dump here, it's gonna be party time. Bulls are
Come on.
fucking holding the sloping support, man. Look at the sloping support. It's holding.
It's not,
Dimitri,
dude,
be
it's,
wrong. Come
it's
on.
previous supply at look at this. Break of structure, previous supply, 1003 candle.
Damn it.
I hate when fucking people call me or text me when I'm trading. Honestly, I hate it.
Bulls are strong. Bulls are strong, man.
Bulls are strong. Come on. Show me those nuts. Ah, puta mierda, motherfucker.
Let's make $500 from bottom to the top of this channel.
Yeah, 630,
That's
630 is previous supply. It's now demand, validated as demand. If we lose this, then VWAP's going to try to bounce. If they lose VWAP, then 635.20s. And if they take out 635.20s, we will touch low of day again, in my opinion. Or at least go to POC.
Fucking time decay.
Oh, I hate holding. I hate holding so much.
Honestly, I realized that I've lost a majority of all these red days that I've had is because I was holding for a long fucking time.
Yeah. They could break on this one.
50% retracement of this bull run is 634.89. That's my price target, guys. 634.89 is my price target for this drop. I'm not fucking leaving. Fucking go.
I don't understand why you're macro trading 0-day SPX with a fucking heavy size. You're wild.
Because I'm about to break even on this position, and there you go. Let's go.
It's very dangerous, though, what you're doing.
My average is 570. We're at 470.
And they're super
I'm
far out the money.
Down $1 on them. Let's fucking go.
Yeah, what were you down at the top? You were probably down fucking 20 grand at the top.
I flipped red on the top on my account, so yeah. I have a very large position.
Yeah, very dangerous, dude. And you're out the money. If they break, cool, but just take your profit. Don't try to hold it to fucking 634.80. You got VWAP, you have the 50, you have demand at 635.20. Bull side's still shorter. Is the bear side still heavier? This makes complete sense what they did. Fucking all the bears that didn't take their profits, now they're back to the middle and they're going to burn here.
But they gotta burn the fresh bulls also. Bulls are fresh.
I don't know.
Bears are stale already.
I don't know if they're that fresh, buddy, because they got steamrolled this morning. They got completely steamrolled. It's the data. If the put to call ratio was even at the low of day and they bounced and there was more bulls, yeah, but there was double the amount of fucking bears. And the fact that the bear side's still growing means that they're dollar cost averaging. That's how I read that data. At least try to read that data.
Ever since I've been trading on my computer, I do not want to trade on my phone whatsoever. The worst. So slow.
Support flipping. Support is flipping, baby. Look at the ticks. Wow, look at the ticks. They're dumping, and price is not even dumping. Come on.
I should just sell right here, honestly.
If you want to try to hang on to it, Albert, just see if they close below VWAP in the 50 on the 1 minute. I don't know how much. It's not really going to make that much of a difference, in my opinion. Maybe 5 or 6 cents on your contracts. How many contracts are you holding?
30.
3?
30.
30? So you'll maybe lose like 150, 200 bucks if they go to VWAP. Because that's where they can really try to get the bears excited and bounce. And if they don't bounce there, they're going to go to 635.20s.
That's my price target. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, SPX moves so fast.
Playing a dangerous game, my friend.
SPX moves like a fucking bullet, buddy. Missile bullet, buddy. Let's fucking go.
You need to lighten your position, though. Once you start getting profit, start trimming it out. Because if you get one
I'm down
bounce...
50 cents. I'm down 50 cents here. Come on.
You're not even green.
No, I'm not. They've been decaying. I've been adding and they've been decaying still. Yeah. I gotta learn how SPX moves. SPX is a different animal.
I'm trying to tell you, you can't hold it. It's a 0-day SPY call times 10. Everything's times 10, not just how much it makes, how much does it lose, how much it decays. Everything's times 10.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Break of structure was my target.
Albert, if they take out the VWAP, close below the VWAP, I would get out of them.
That's the cloud. That's the fucking cloud, and it's gonna be party time, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's go. I just flipped green.
This fucking guy is so annoying, bro. Fucking Adik is calling me, bro.
Oh, how's that guy doing? How's he doing with his funnels? I remember having a conversation with him. Yeah, wheel.
This what?
His funnel.
Right here, Albert.
Yeah.
If they close below this, Albert, get out of it on the 1 minute if they close below.
That's the cloud. Cloud is my price target. Price target is 635.30. That's the fucking cloud.
QQQ
Yeah,
is almost at bounce zone.
baby. Let's fucking go. A little bit lower.
QQQ is approaching demand. This is bounce zone. This is crucial for bulls to stay in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, go. Oh, go.
I'm down 1385. Fuck.
I told you, Albert, to sell. This is the dirty games they play, buddy. They play dirty games like that. They break the VWAP. They get all the bulls excited. All the bears stop out. And then they dump even harder. I think they're going to collapse like crazy low of day.
Albert, if we close like this in 20 seconds, get out. If they bounce off of here, then stay in them. This is bounce zone. Get out of them.
Oh, yeah.
Get out?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Done.
Go, go, go. I gotta take it. I'm not greedy. I'm
Alright.
all out, guys. Yep, that's it. Price target hit, guys. If you're in puts, price target hit.
A little bit lower. 635.20s.
Ryan, guess how much I'm up today?
How much?
Woo! Holy shit. Yo, SPX is a fucking animal, buddy. You're gonna get me addicted.
Yeah, dude, you can't trade it like the way you like to trade though. It's very fucking So let me ask you this. How much were you down at the top?
Oh, I flipped red.
Yeah, how much?
A lot. I flipped red at the top. But don't forget, I have a very high appetite for risk.
I don't care if you have a fucking high appetite or not. So do I. It's SPX
I have
is
a
a
very high
completely.
appetite. Look what they're doing, guys. Look at
This
that.
is demand right here,
Beautiful.
635.20. This is price target. If they
Beautiful.
slice this, then they're going to POC.
Beautiful, baby. I sold way too early. I'm telling you guys, low of fucking day. Low of fucking day.
Relax.
I'm done. No, I'm done. I'm done.
POC
I'm so
633.68 is potential bounce zone. We got
Woo!
potential bounce zones below. QQQ. Look at
That's
QQQ
fucking
though.
low.
QQ
Absolute dumpster, baby.
QQQ is fucking stair stepping for what, from 10, 11 o'clock to 40 minutes of just green on QQQ. This is a very, very expected pullback.
Hey, I'm at a place where I can share my screen and show you my TOS.
Yeah, I jump out of the live voice and then come back in, and then at the bottom you should see a thing that says share screen.
I mean, I see it. I can just hit it. I just want to make sure I wasn't
Yeah, go ahead.
Should I take this SPX trade right now going down?
No.
Yeah,
No, don't do it. That's it.
Don't
Why would
touch
you chase?
SPX.
This is strong demand. This is a weekly level demand, guys. This is last week's lows demand.
Don't touch
That's it.
SPX, please.
Day is done, Albert. Now they're just fucking around at the 50% retracement of the bull run.
Hey,
You get
Ryan?
it? From
Ryan,
Yo.
if you get a chance, is there any way? I know this. I know I sound like I'm fucking like a broken record. Like, you see the way you did this 1 through 9, these lessons, like basically number 1, number 2. Is there any way you could make a list of things that you do the minute you get on? What is the first thing that you do, the second thing you do, the third thing that you do, the fourth thing that you do? And then based on that, when the market opens, then you know what your game plan is. Like, let's say, based on that, based on those steps that you've taken. Is there any way you could jot down a couple of notes whenever you get on your computer? It's the first thing that you're doing, second thing that you're doing, fourth thing that you're doing. Because if I could have that list, then I could run through that every single day as like around 9 o'clock, get prepared, or 8:30, and kind of work on these things, and then I could check with you and Dimitri to say like, hey, what am I doing right or wrong here? But I need to do something on my own is what I'm saying. I need to take action on my own.
Yeah. Okay. I'll work on that
That
for
makes
you.
sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate you, bro. You're the best. Thank you.
Do you see my TOS?
Yep. So first things first, Albert, load in my layout. This isn't my layout.
You mean MBZ?
Or yeah, sorry, MBZ. So you see where it says on demand in the top right? Under that, you'll see some boxes. Click that. Okay, so you don't even have my layout saved. So go back to the Discord. I posted it yesterday. I gotta just find it. Where is it? When did I post it? Do you guys remember?
I'm scrolling up right now. This was 8:30 this morning. So here.
Want to go lower, guys? They want to go lower. Low of day is my price target. I'm not participating in it. They want to go lower.
I'm at
How do you guys
3:15.
figure out the ticks? What are ticks exactly?
Think of it as
This
like a
is the
heartbeat.
overall buying and selling. overall buying and selling of the market.
Think about it
And
as
where
like
does
a
that
heartbeat.
And where does that show exactly? On the
It's
chart
like
itself?
it's like a heartbeat. Think of it as like a heartbeat.
Go on your trading
Gotcha.
view and make a 4 layout screen.
Oh, I found it.
ticks.
Oh, here it is. Yesterday at 9:56.
Yeah. So click that, open that up.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me go back to your screen.
I have
I get it.
think of Thinkorswim.
Yeah, hold on. What the fuck did I just do? Whoops. Where's my charts?
Albert,
There.
you know how to do 4 layout screen on trading view?
No, but I would love it if you could, walk a quick
Okay.
block over.
Yeah,
and
click view
show
in
me how to do it.
Thinkorswim.
The
Okay. Now see where it says day trader and those two boxes?
Trader. Yo, Westside Trader, I think we should shut it down and go fucking scream outside, buddy.
See in the
Holy
top right,
fuck.
it says day trader.
Yeah.
The two boxes right there. Click that.
That's sick.
Do
Let's
save
see.
grid. Save grid as. Save it to whatever you want. Okay. Now exit out of this. Go back to your Thinkorswim. Click that same spot.
Is it the no?
Yep.
Not show grid.
Yep. Yep.
On demand.
No, show grid actions right below it. No, don't do on demand. Click on demand again. It'll shut it off.
Dimitri, I'm gonna copy this when I get back home today. I'm gonna build it out.
Go to the box to the right.
That's the screen layout. You gotta go on the top right where it says layout and do a 4 layout box.
Aha. Все, понял, братух.
The ticks is the overall buying and selling in the market. I look for divergences. Sometimes the ticks goes up
Go back
and the
to
market
my.
goes down.
Open up my layout again.
You have your professional setup, right, Albert, with all the monitors and everything?
I have one monitor, bro. Remember the curved screen that I bought?
Perfect. Yeah, that's exactly what you need to do. But I also have a lot of tabs. Like I have the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute. I have everything opened.
Leave this
No
window
problem.
open
Price
and
points.
then go back to yours.
Anyways, fellas, have an amazing
Go
day.
to the wait
I
a
gotta run.
minute. No, this is why. You're in the wrong tab. So go to trade. Go to active trader. Now click the box.
This one.
Yep. Day trader options doc. Boom. There you go. Get rid of that garbage on the left-hand side of your screen. So press that little arrow, the small arrow in the middle. Boom. There you go. Just click the chart and drag it to the right to pull up your chart. Just like drag and hold your mouse right now on the screen.
I like go all the way to the right.
Yeah, the chart's in there somewhere. I have the bands. It should be to the left.
Can I it's got this screen share thing. Can I just zoom out and zoom back in?
There you go. And then you could drag the MACD down a little bit if you want. I have that a little bit smaller on mine. So what you're going to want to do now is go over to the settings. Go to settings.
Setup.
Yeah.
The gear symbol.
No, go to setup. Top right. Application settings.
Right.
Ryan, you should cancel the stream on the YouTube.
I'm not. I'm just streaming the charts. I'm not streaming MBZ screen.
Okay. Okay.
So
There's no
Thank
more
you.
trades. I'm done trading, guys.
yeah.
So
So go to
take care, everyone. Have a good one. Take care.
go to order defaults. Click options. And this is where you're going to set your where you're going to set your quantities. So, yeah, whatever you're comfortable with here.
I'm gonna. Well, I want to do 25, but I could
So-
change that when I'm doing orders, right? Like I'm not doing it so fast paced that I can't change that.
You could change it. So, like, I would set it at 5. Then press apply.
And then keep order quantity increment at 1.
Well, so when you press the arrows on the quantities in the active trader box, it's only going to go up by 1. So you can put that to 5 as well.
Okay. I can change that later.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to start off small just to play around until I get a feel for it.
So press apply and then go back into settings. Back into setup. Now go to, you're going to want to go down to system. Okay, quote speed. Quote speed's good. Let me make sure this matches mine. Hold on, let me open mine really quick.
And so I'll always go to trade active trader to see this. I won't go to the flexible grid.
Yeah, you're going to trade here. This is where you trade. So startup, if you click on startup, you can have it.
Startup.
You can have, okay, so last use, last application state. So when you open up the broker, this is where it's going to open up to.
Cool.
Let me just, I'm pulling up my, hold on, I'm just logging into mine now because I want to make sure that I have the same settings.
Yeah, still like even this, like this active trader section, that right-hand grid with the green and the red and the buy market, sell market is completely foreign to me because I'm used to just seeing an options ladder with a strike price,
Yep.
bid ask on the left for calls, bid ask on the right for puts. So I got to figure out how to do that quickly. I think I saw where you could hold shift.
Go to positions. Position PL layout should be open day. Do you have that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Active trader. I have the active trader set to 500 milliseconds and auto center every 5 seconds.
Got it at 0. I think I watched a video that said so 500 milliseconds.
Yeah. You have yours at 0? That's fine.
Yeah, but I can move it to 500.
It just gives it that second to breathe because for like slippage.
Oh, got you. So the 500 is better. Do you have auto send AT order on click down and reset AT order template after sending checked?
Yep, and then apply custom template is unchecked.
Okay, same.
All right, and then so go back to the active trader tab. Click the settings wheel. So this is where, hold on, let me shut mine off.
Do I need to hit apply settings for where I'm at right now?
Yep.
Apply settings and then hit the.
So you can expand. I don't know if it's my screen or if it's, yeah. So you can expand your active trader ladder out a little bit to the right. You can like bring it out a little bit bigger.
You mean like this?
Yeah, there you go. So for over here, I have. Okay, so go up to the right. You'll see those like that little hamburger bar right next to PL day. Go down. Go down.
PL day.
Right there.
Oh, this one.
Hide that.
Yeah.
That's just for shares. You get rid of that. Boom. And then now for this, what do I have for my ladder? Hold on. Fuck, I gotta open this back up.
So your quantity, this is 100 contracts right here at quantity, right? So
Correct.
I don't think I want auto send on at first. Do you use auto send?
Yep. So auto send is automatically gonna. So if you click buy market right now, you'll get a a prompt at the bottom.
So this is just buying an options market order at the current price.
Yeah, so right now you're buying. So click on the arrow right above your buy market button.
This one?
Yep.
Drop down?
Yep. Go to options. Type in SPY. Press enter. Click on the drop down again. Type in SPY, press enter. So this is how you pick your option. So right now you're looking at same days. The IV is in the top right corner right there. So say you wanted to enter a 636 call right now for 77 cents. You click that. Boom. There you go. That's the ladder. Now you're looking at 636 calls. So all you have to do is press buy market, sell market to get in and get out of it. The super dom right there, that's the current price. And then if you entered a position, so it's,
What are these numbers on the left and right in the green and red? What is that? Just orders coming in?
yeah. So if you got into a position, so let's see, press auto send. Click
What's it
auto
doing
send.
this blue circle around my mouse?
I have no idea.
All right, so if I click auto send and hit buy market, it's going to buy one contract.
Correct. So if you press buy market right now, press buy market, you'll get this prompt at the bottom every single time. If you press send, it's going to send you the order. Delete, you'll exit out of this page. So I don't like having this thing pop up every single time. So you just entered a call. You're in calls right now.
And would I just hit sell right here if I wanted to sell that call?
So press auto send. Click on auto send.
Mm-hmm.
Now press sell. $7.
See, I want auto send just starting out just to make sure I don't fucking click something on accident.
Yeah.
But all right, so every time you're changing, like if you're changing your price, you're just clicking on this and it probably saves there once you've done it.
Yep.
But if not, you're hitting SPY, come to options, and you're going, oh, never mind, I want 637 or I want a 634 put.
Yep.
And then you're just clicking on that, and then if your quantities, whatever you want it, you're just auto sending and hitting buy market.
Yep.
And then if you don't touch anything else and it's still checked auto send, like if I want to get out of shit quick, I'm just immediately hitting sell market.
Yep.
Awesome.
And then in high volatility, I'll go to that where it says day trader options doc 1. I'll go to those boxes right there.
These?
Yep. And then I'll add a third box to the right. And I'll add
do that.
So you click that.
This way.
Yep. And then right here, you'll have another area to do. Basically, you can have two separate contracts on your screen at the same time. So like if it's news, I'm trying to trade news and I'm not sure which way it's going to go. I'll have calls on one side, puts on the other. So all you have to do
put
is
the same thing I've got here. So right here, I need to hit gadget and then do.
You're on active trader. So just type it. Just click in your option. So go to that.
Do I need to make these colors all the same?
No.
Does that matter?
No, because if you make them all the same, then it's going to be the same. So go to click there. Click the drop down. If you just type in SPY there, this is just shares. So you have to press the drop down.
So I got to tell it.
Go to options. Now click. So say click the put side. So click 636 puts. And when you click it,
see what you're saying.
so when you click it, you have to click the price. There you go. So boom. So now, obviously, you have to adjust your little settings wheel if you want it to identically the same put. So now you're looking at 636 puts on your right side and 636 calls on your left side. They're both on the options contract, and they're both set up to just market in, market out.
Got you. So if it's like in a flag or a potential reversal, I could just quickly hit buy market.
I'll try to do this. I'll do this if I'm in a position and I know I'm going to reverse it. You can't reverse an option. So I'll say I'm in calls and I'm currently in calls, but I want to jump into puts when I sell my calls, I'll load up the puts on my right side of the screen. I'll hit sell market on my calls when I get out, and then I'll reverse it into buy market onto the put side. Does that make sense?
Just quickly selling here and hitting buy here.
Correct.
How come this isn't in gray? Like, I guess it doesn't matter that much, but like,
Go to your settings wheel.
This one right here.
Yep. And then on the second line, press quantity with buttons. Underneath second line. Down a little bit. On the right hand side of the screen.
Oh, right here.
Press move up. And then click the auto send. Also move that up. Keep moving it up. One more. You could take the flatten button out, or you could take the reverse button out.
Does it flatten just sell everything?
Yeah. I would just press remove item on reverse. You don't really need that. Okay, press OK. There you go.
All right, so, and I can make this smaller. So this is just other orders, though, near me. Like, this doesn't even really matter that much?
No, what this is going to matter is, like, when you get into a position, you're going to have, I don't know if you picked it up when you bought calls earlier, but when you get into a position, you're going to have a little yellow line around your average price, and then this little gray box that's moving up and down is your current price. Okay, so there you go. So your average price is 102. It's highlighted. Current price is 104, so you're up $2 right now. If you wanted to set a stop, click, see where it says ask, it's in red. See the ask column? That's in red.
Oh, set stop loss.
So that's a limit sell. So that's a limit sell. If you want to set a stop at like a $2 loss, click right there. Click that box. So now look at your chart. That's where your stop is set on your chart.
Got you.
So that's how I can kind of identify where the price will be at certain areas based off the option.
Can I drag this, or did I make
No, because you have your order submitted for $1, so that's where it stays. So to get out of that,
I click it again to take it.
To get out of that, you see where it says one stop. Just press the X on your chart if you wanted to take your stop off on the chart itself.
Oh, got you.
Okay, now your stop's off.
I just made fucking 16 cents on accident on this one contract.
There you go.
So then just sell market, and it just wouldn't do this box if I had auto send.
Yeah. And then you could press next to the quantity, that little down arrow. Press that. See where the quantity is? No, to the left, that little down arrow. Click that. Yeah, you can get rid of that.
Oh, so you're saying.
Yeah. But I would go back to.
Do you use the side much? That's just how you're determining how much money you've went up and setting your stops, pretty much.
Yeah. So I would get rid of the second option screen for now. It's so you can have a bigger chart. So go back to like the day trading options doc one.
This one on the right side?
Yeah.
Let me just shrink it because I kind of like it. I kind of see myself using that.
Yeah. I mean, if you're going to monitor multiple contracts, that's fine. But you like, this is a good start, to build a foundation off of, and then you could tweak it how you like it. So back up.
This is what I need. I just mainly needed to know how to like get in and out quick, and this should save. But the main thing I think I'm going to have to come and check on is that I'm like in here to know that I'm doing options.
Yeah.
And then where do I see call to put ratio in here?
So go to all products. Well, actually, before you change this tab, go back to where it says day trader options doc, where those boxes were, those 3 boxes.
Mm-hmm.
And click save grid.
Save grid as?
Yep. You could save it as the same
just
name.
Save it again?
Yeah.
Make sure I don't confuse it with the other one.
So go to all products.
All right, where's all products?
All products is right underneath the trade tab.
Oh, yeah.
So close out your options chain. So press the little arrow where it says options chain. Down.
Options.
Go to option statistics. Boom, there's your ratio. So this is
Gotcha.
for SPY. So if you wanted to look at anything, the chain, time and sales, where it says SPY, you change the ticker there, and that's where you'll get the data.
What else can I see here? Is this where I would see like market cap and all that somewhere in here? I'm assuming. Oh, it don't matter. I've already got a way to see that I'm used to looking for. So it does show. Where's IV? VWAP IV 16.7. Got you. And
So if
that's
you go-
an exact number for the day. So there's 3 million puts. So we're up almost 1 million puts
Yeah.
versus calls right now.
That's why we're rocketing. That's so if you go to options
And then
chain,
to get
you can click today's date. So now there's more data in here that you can pull up. So if you wanted to look at, so look on the right side there where it says puts. Click where it says last X. You can change that to open interest. You can change that to IV. You can change the data here. So I have mine set to open interest and implied volatility.
where do you see that?
So go back to
So-
options theoreticals. Go down.
Greeks. So there's
Implied
implied
volatility.
volatility.
Yeah.
Oh, got you. So I can make this whatever
Yeah.
I'm
And
looking
then you
for. If
can
I'm
see.
looking for a certain delta or a,
Yeah. Correct. Yep.
Where's-
It's
where's-
a very cool broker if you if you play around.
No,
with
it is. It just does. So I'm used to like the Weevil Robinhood layout, which is probably just doesn't do enough. So it looks ancient, but I'm sure it's just because it does like 5 million more things.
Yeah, it's like the Matrix
And I'll
in here.
use it all eventually. But I mainly just wanted to know because I'm going to keep my Robinhood for just selling calls and puts. And I want to keep day trading separate from that. So I like the idea of two brokers. But I was like, dude, I don't trust myself to make a fucking trade in here. And so I'm always going to go to trade active trader
Correct.
for this tab.
Correct. Yep.
Gotcha. How do you move? Oh, you just grab it.
Yeah.
Okay. 'Cause I was
So I
doing the
don't-
thing where I highlighted the zoom and stuff, but I guess
So I don't do
maybe a different-
much charting on here, but another cool feature is so click the box where you selected your option. It's 636 calls.
Mhm.
See where it says
Where do I
630,
click?
all the numbers with a drop down box where you select your option.
Oh, this right here.
Yeah, but click the actual numbers itself. So
So I click on 636.
no. So go back to where it was where you press the drop down. Press the drop down. No, up. See where it's all the numbers? Click the numbers and copy those numbers.
Which numbers am I copying?
The option. So that code right there is August 20th 636 calls. So copy that.
Oh, you're saying copy that number right there. Yeah.
Copy that and then post it in the chart where SPY is. Press enter. This is giving you the chart of that specific option now, which is also very cool to watch because you could see the lowest of the low where these options were. It's 28 cents.
Oh, like just how good or bad that specific option has done today.
Yep. You should have held those calls, man. They're up like 40 cents.
No shit, bro. I knew it was happening. I'm down like 1,200 on the day. I was down 3,000. I finally got the bounce that's why when it did that. And so here I just come back here and just type in SPY to just go back to my normal chart.
Yep.
That makes sense. So that's a code that if I post that code anywhere, it's only looking at 636 calls for
Correct.
today on SPY.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the
All
broker's
right, man.
really
That
cool.
helps a ton, dude.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm excited because Robinhood slips me the wrong direction every time. So
The main thing to do also, dude, if you're gonna tweak it, just make sure you go back to those boxes in the right corner and save your grid, and then it will continue to update it. Like if you make tweaks or adjustments, because if you don't press save, next time you load it up, it's going to be at the last state that you had it in where it was saved.
gotcha. Now I'll probably with this for like a week or two, man. That's a huge help. I might bug you with like a couple more questions, but I just want to trade with like a contract or two, like on this for a week or two, and just get the muscle memory. You know what I mean? Before I really fuck with anything else, because mostly what I need to know about a stock, I use Robinhood or TradingView. You know, it was really just the call to options ratio. Which
Right.
let me make sure I know how to do that. I hit SPY right here. And then let's see, where was I going?
The ratio, go to all products.
Oh, I'm hitting the wrong thing.
And then
oh, yeah,
statistics.
yeah. And then options type. Oh, let's see.
Statistics.
Today's option statistics. Yeah. Got you.
Just another thing too, if you have that option time and sales window open, it's going to slow your broker down. So see underneath, if you go back to all products, open up options. You can leave the statistics open, but if you have time and sales open, it slows my broker down, because go down. You're getting You're basically getting a live feed of every single order coming in on SPY.
So just make sure the arrows like this, like where it's closed out.
Yep.
Okay. So it's fine right here. I can leave that open and just quickly switch back and forth from active trader to all products.
Yep.
Oh, sweet.
That's it, man.
Perfect, bro. Hey, thank you so much. That makes a huge difference.
Yeah, no problem. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll help you out.
Sure will.
On that note, I am jumping off.
Yeah,
Good
man.
job
Appreciate
today,
you
guys.
today.
Yeah. Who is the champion today? Was it Westside? Oh yeah, Westside, 50,000. Good job. Oh, you can drag that stop around on I didn't know that, Norville. I did not know that you can drag that stop. That's good to know. What is it on the Super Tom? You have to drag it, or you have to drag it on the chart? Oh, cool. I didn't know that. I'm going to mess around with that tomorrow. All right, guys. I'm jumping off. Good job today. Today was a fucking V shape, it's looking like. So I will catch y'all later.